Something that's overlooked by a lot of Squarespace website users is the ability to add your business details onto your website. Now, it's not a biggie, but it's a nice to have, and most people don't even realize that it exists. So what I want to do is just quickly show you where it is and then how to populate it on your website. So this is super simple. All you need to do is head into settings, and then under settings, we want to go into selling. And then right at the top, we've got business information. So I'm going to plug in my info now. Phone number, that's incorrect. Sorry to whoever's phone number this is. I've literally just put a random one in. So don't be prank calling them. Then we want to put our email in. So sam@bycrawford.com. Please do email this if you need a Squarespace website. Then we want to put physical location. So the business name is By Crawford Limited, and then address is Suite 129 Imperial Court. Now this is actually linked to Google, so if your address is on there, you can just select it from the drop down. Now mine isn't because it's a virtual business address. So what I want to do is just plug this in, and then I'm going to override that by saying Suite 129 Imperial Court. There we go. So that's all in, and then we can set our business hours with a ton of different formats here, but you have to do it in these formats. So I'm just going to put all day for every day because I'm about that hustle and grind. There we go. Also, just because I'm an online business, so why would I have opening and closing hours? So all that goes in, easy peasy, hit save, your business details are now saved. Easy as that. So if you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.